Today's subject is enlightenment, guaranteed. Yesterday we saw enlightenment, it is possible. The first thing which we need to understand is it is possible because from the time immemorial there is a conflict or fight among our sages. One group of sages say there is something called enlightenment. The other group says no, there is no such thing as enlightenment. People who say there is something called enlightenment, they say the fact. People who say no, there is no such thing as enlightenment, they say the truth. The first group, they give the fact, there is something called enlightenment. The second group, by saying there is no enlightenment, they create that as a technique. The idea that there is no enlightenment is a technique to make you enlightened. Because just by the idea that there is enlightenment, you make enlightenment as a goal. The moment you make that as a goal, you miss the goal. Anybody who makes enlightenment as a goal, they always miss it. It is not a goal, it is a very part itself. Please understand, if you are not able to realize the truth when I am speaking, the air which comes from me as a sound, the moment it reaches your ears, if you do not feel the effect of that words in you, forget about the words. When you carry this as a memory in your mind, you will always give your meaning. When you start giving your meaning in the house, you will create two troubles. You will torture yourself and vomit these words on others and torture others. When masters say, there is nothing called enlightenment, they are breaking your goal-oriented mind and they are bringing you to the present moment. From time immemorial, India, our Vedic system, the spiritual nerve center of the world, has seen two kinds of seers, two kinds of rishis. One group continuously who say there is enlightenment, the descendants of Shankara. The other group which says no, there is no such thing as enlightenment, descendants of Buddha, who say Purna, the other group says Sunya. But both of them are leading to the same reality. One group says the fact, the other group says the truth. When I use these two words, you need to understand, fact is as it is, as you understand. Truth is the word which you may not understand with your mind, but the moment you work with that word, suddenly something opens up in your being and you end up in the truth. By the words of Shankara, when he says there is enlightenment, the Purna, he inspires you to work towards. He creates tremendous inspiration. When the tremendous inspiration is created, automatically all other goals, all other ideas are dropped from your mind. When the moment when Buddha says it is Shunya, no, there is no such thing as enlightenment. There is no such thing as Purna. There is no need for you to run. There is no need for you to search. Immediately, the tremendous energy which is created in you in the name of search starts falling into itself. It is directed towards itself. The moment the energy is directed towards itself, it becomes enlightenment. Desire without object is enlightenment. When you have some strong desire with object, you are towards that object. The same strong pull, desire, energy, if the object is removed, that same energy turns towards itself and you realize yourself. It's like in India, villages, they will burn the dead bodies. When they burn the dead bodies, they will use a stick. Ramana Maharshi tells this story. They will use a bamboo to burn dead bodies so that the body doesn't fall this side or that side. Once the body is completely burned, they will throw that stick also into that same fire and burn it. Same way, when Shankara says there is enlightenment, he uses that word as a stick. With that stick, he will burn all other desires of you. Automatically, the idea about enlightenment attracts you so much, all other desires are burned. Then finally, this one desire, enlightenment, that desire also is dropped in that same fire. That also disappears. Then you are enlightened. The other side, Buddha, when he says there is no enlightenment, simply he creates a space, he creates inner void in which directly you can drop. Millions and millions of sages and saints and rishis have come. They have come to the planet Earth. The whole group can be categorized in these two. The whole can be categorized in these two categories. One who says there is an enlightenment. The other group which says there is no enlightenment.